Hello friends. Okay, moving towards the second video. I hope you have seen my this first video. If you have not seen, you can find the link of the first video in the description. Moving towards the second elements. We have learned till matrix. After that, we will look towards arrays. Okay, for arrays, procedure is somewhat same. What we do is we mention a variable, then align it with values like this. This means you have to mention the syntax is array, then in bracket mention your vector and then dimension of that array. Here the dimension of that array is 332. Let's run this and see. Select all, control enter. You can see here that as it's 332, see it has repeated a value. June, worth, June, worth, June, worth, like this till it gets complete. I hope you understood this. Moving towards the next. Next is factors. Okay. See. Have an example. You can see from colors means color of apple, worth green, this is the data about the apple. Then we have made it, converted this vector, this was a vector, into factor type and then printed this factor form. And in factors we have concepts of levels. What does this level means? I will be showing you after executing this. First let me execute this. First I'm executing this vector, then made the vector, converted it into factor. Okay, there was some error. Okay, error was okay, look now. Then converted into factor. Now checking the factor object. You can see that its worth were June and levels are actually the number of categories that are created for this factors. So you have the number of category, the similar category that are June, Rouge, worth. The elements inside the factors are combined based on the similarities and divided into different categories. For example, if I add here Losh, now practically I have added the similar category, or if I, so it should show one more level. So is error. Okay. Okay, it took. Then okay, now again executing it, getting. See, you can see that 4 levels are created. So number of n levels should be 4. And if I add one more type here, for example, okay, And now if I again define it, again run it, now make that into factor and then checking the levels, it should be, see here there are 5 levels because 5 dissimilar things are found here which can be categorized, and you can see n level 5. I hope you understood about factors. Now moving towards the last types, that's data frame. Okay, this is the main main thing that you will require for artificial intelligence and machine learning analysis. What we do is whatever data that we get or whatever data that we have to analyze, we convert it into data frames and do analysis on these data frames. So moving ahead, I am giving you an example of a data frame. Here I have created a data frame of people name. People is the name of variable. Okay. And data frame is defined as, the syntax is data dot frame and then in curly brackets the values that you want. So your gender is equals to 1 vector, height is equals to 1 vector. These are the labels. Gender, height, weight. It will not come in your actual data. Your actual data resides inside the vectors. So moving at this, if I run this, you can see this data frame is created, and when I try to print the data frame, you can see the labels, gender, height, weight and the values. Okay friends, we'll learn about many things in the third video also. So stay connected and stay tuned. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.